I want to show you some features that we have that helps you track new and returning customers for WooCommerce. This is Pixel Your Site. I'm Christian Stoichescu from Pixel Your Site. So in this video, I will explain some very useful stuff that will help you run new customer optimized ads on Google, but also easily visualize new and returning customers inside Google Analytics or create audiences inside your Meta Ads Manager or TikTok Ads Manager or Pinterest. This video will be a bit complicated because these things are made with two separate options that we have. I will explain a parameter that we add to Google conversion events, purchase conversion events, and inside Google Tag Manager data layer, but also two custom events that we fire for all the tags. And stay with me because it's useful, even if it might sound confusing. But okay, before I start, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Done? Good. So I am on the WooCommerce page inside Pixel Your Site. And here we have this option about new customer parameter. When I record this video, this is not yet released. In the actual version, I will change the order of these options. And this will be the first one. I will explain why in a bit. So from here, you can control when do we send the new customer parameter, not event, parameter. This is the parameter we attach to Google Ads purchase conversions and inside the Google Tag Manager data layer. Okay, don't send it for guest checkout. This will be the second option in the actual version. I recommend using this one. Send it for guest checkout. This parameter is also explained by Google here. And they recommend for uncertainty, for example, guest checkout, not to send any value. But because we are able, even for guest checkout, to detect if they had a previous order based on the email address, I recommend sending the parameter for guest checkout. Okay, let's move on. I will come back to this and give you some more details about what it does. That parameter, as I told you, is attached to our purchase event for WooCommerce. And if you use our native Google Ads integration, and if you have a conversion label here, it means that we will send this event to Google Ads as a conversion. And you have this checkbox to send the new customer parameter. And if you have our Google Tag Manager data layer, so this is a very different thing. You can implement Google tags using our native integration, or you can implement Google tags using Google Tag Manager and use our data layer to get the data from your website. So different solutions. Never use them both. Pick one, and both have support for that new customer parameter. What this parameter does is very simple. When you have a new customer, value is true, and Google knows that this order was made by a new customer. When you have a returning customer, new parameter value is false, and Google says, okay, this is a returning customer. Based on this information, they can optimize ads with this objective, new customer acquisition. It's a type of ads you can run inside Google, and I will make another video explaining how to set up such ads. But first, I want to add another feature inside Pixel Your Site, an export for existing clients with the proper configuration for Google Ads, because you can also import your existing clients using a file inside your Google account. This is not yet done. We only have the parameter for now. You can run ads without that import export file, or you can do the export with something else. So we have the parameter for the purchase conversion event we fire for Google Ads and inside the Google Tag Manager data layer. Because you have this parameter, you can run new customer acquisition ads inside your Google account. So this is the stuff about the parameter. Now, by the way, we look for data up to 540 days back. So if the order was placed by someone with, by a returning customer that made the purchase 600 days ago, it will still count as a new customer. This is how Google recommends doing it, and this is how we do it. So this is about the parameter. We also have, we'll close the purchase event. We also have under advanced marketing, first time buyer event and returning customer event. These events are sent to all our tags, native tags, and in the Google Tag Manager data layer. So we fire them for all the tags because these events are ours and they help you on Google Analytics to easily visualize when you have new customers or returning customers, because you'll see the number of events. And for Meta, for example, you can create custom audiences for returning and for first-time buyer customers, and retarget those audiences or exclude them or whatever you want to do. The same thing is true for TikTok and Pinterest and I think Bing. So these events are very different from the parameter. They are supposed to do something else. Custom audiences, if you want. You can even create custom conversions and optimize for such a conversion. And easily visualize data inside Google Analytics. The parameter is something specific to Google Ads, and it's actually used by them to optimize for ads when it's present. So that's it. This is the video about returning and new customers. What else should I tell you? Only that. That's basically everything I wanted to share here. I know these videos are becoming more and more complex. We have our native tags. So all the stuff about native tags. Now we have support for Google Tag Manager, so you can add and implement any tag you want using our plugin, including Google Ads if you want, if you don't want to use our native integration. Yeah, but I think it's useful for you as our customer to have all these features, and I will try to make videos and explain how they work. Like this video, subscribe to our channel to be notified when we publish a new video, and share this video. Thank you for watching.